And hello YouTube, GSmanimsmart here, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you some of the things that you should be doing when you're uploading a video and how you can stay consistent with doing these steps every single time you upload a video, and how you can actually transform this set of steps into a checklist with TubeBuddy that whenever you upload a video, you'll be able to check off every step that you finished, and at the very end, have all the steps complete for each of the videos, which makes your videos more consistent, more professional, and also helps you get more views and subscribers. That's coming up next. What's up guys, GSmanimsmart here. Today we're in another brand new video for tutorials with GS, and I want to welcome you to the video. Thanks for stopping by. I think this one will be really helpful to you. If you happen to be new to the channel, new to some of my videos, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel. We have plenty of other tutorials on the channel regarding video editing, image editing, audio editing, how to do certain things in the Adobe products, how to do certain things in GIMP, Movie Maker, all kinds of cool stuff, and even a whole set of YouTube tutorials to help you be more successful on YouTube, and how to do certain things as well to gain more views and subscribers. So if you're interested in that type of stuff, I encourage you to hit that subscribe button as well as that post notification bell so you can stay up to date with all the most recent videos. So one of the things that you should be doing as a YouTuber, or if you're planning to do YouTube, is have a consistent upload schedule, but also a consistent upload method. And this is really important because a lot of times some creators will, upload a video and then they'll title it, and maybe sometimes they'll forget to do the description, or sometimes forget to do the tags. Sometimes they'll do all that but forget to promote it. Sometimes they'll do that but they'll forget to make a thumbnail for it. So uploading a video involves a lot of different steps, and you have to make sure that you do all of these steps every single time you upload a video for the best consistency, for the best results, and for the best professional look. So one of the ways you can do this is with a checklist, and I'm going to go over a few of the things that you should be doing for each of your videos when you upload it, and I'll also be showing you how you can create an interactive checklist through TubeBuddy, which will help you stay on track when you're uploading a video and check mark off things as you're doing them through the upload process. So here we are on my tutorials channel. If you are interested in some other videos, we have plenty of things on here. As you can see, Photoshop things, Audacity things, everything's very well organized, which is definitely something you should be doing for your channel as well. But if we head over to my gaming channel here I'm actually logging into this account. I'm going to be showing you what happens when I upload a video, and what are some of the things that you should be doing when you upload a video. So here I'm going to go ahead and press upload, and we're just going to upload some random video on my desktop that I probably have sitting around here. We're not really going to upload it, but just so you can see. So I think this is a video file. It might be, or it might be a thumbnail file. It's a video file. Okay, so as you can see, we're uploading this currently. And one of the things that I have here on the right side, I have a checklist here of things that I should be doing while I upload the video. As you can see, my checklist consists of completing the video SEO research, and that's basically just looking up terms that can fit very well for ranking you high in the YouTube algorithm. And I do have a whole other video on how to do video SEO research. If you want to check that video out, I'll leave a link in the description, as well as a card on screen right now, so you can go ahead and click the card on screen, and that'll bring you to the video that teaches you how to complete and teaches some of the best ways and methods to complete video SEO research on YouTube. Then in the next section of my checklist, I have create the title, description, and the top tags based on the research, which is what I usually do on a Word document. Then I create a custom thumbnail, which usually gives a good idea of what the video is about. Maybe I'll throw a few keywords in the thumbnail, maybe not, maybe I'll just have a few words describing what the video is about. Then we're going to be renaming the video file and the thumbnail for upload, because you want to rename your video file to the title of your video. That helps you rank in YouTube, and you can also rename the thumbnail. Next, if your video tends to be very long, or if you have a method of putting timestamps in it, if your video is in sections, then I also usually create some timestamps. I add my videos to playlists. I then also monetize my videos through the monetization section here, so I don't forget, because sometimes I do forget to monetize it, and after like 1,000 views comes in, I realize, oh my god, I forgot to monetize the video, so the first 1,000 views were never monetized. So make sure you do that. Then I make sure I categorize my video, and I create the social hook. Now under advanced settings here, you'll see that you can categorize your video. You make sure the category is correct. If you're doing gaming, make sure you put the game title. If you're doing something else, make sure you put any other relevant information. If you want to put a recording date, you can do so so as well. And here's monetization, obviously, make sure that's done. Next, I also make sure I have a social hook, and the social hook is usually right here. Just posts to my Google Plus and my Twitter, and it automatically posts on there with a social hook. This is usually like maybe a sentence or two describing the video to hook the viewer on the social media platforms to click the video if they're interested. Then I make sure to add end screens and cards, any relevant end screens or cards. So earlier in the video, I mentioned that I have another video teaching you how to do video SEO research. So that would be a card that I would put in the video, and any end screens that link to my other videos or my other channels, I would include that as well. Then I make sure I like my video and I comment on my video. It's always good to be the first one to increase that engagement rate. You can comment anything with maybe a question for the viewers. And then lastly, I share my video on social sites, which include Reddit, which include Facebook, Google+, Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest, Blogger, any other social sites that you may be connected to. I would do that. So this is my little checklist here that I basically follow for every single video, and having this checklist here, make sure that I don't miss anything. So every time I finish something, I can go and press the check mark here, I can check it off, and by the time I finish with all of these, I'll know that I have consistently uploaded this video just like I upload every single other video, which is exactly what you want to do for YouTube, especially if you found a way that's very successful for your videos. If you found a certain amount of steps that make your videos very successful, then you want to make sure you do that every single time for all of your videos. So how do you get this checklist here on your upload process here? Well, for one, you want to download an extension. You want to download an extension called TubeBuddy. It's a very helpful and really cool way to manage your channel, to copy end screens, to copy cards. If you don't want to keep on adding end screens or adding cards to each of your videos, you can automatically do it in batch. I do have a video showing you how to do that as well. If you don't know what TubeBuddy is, you can go ahead and click the link in the description or the card on screen right now, where I go over what TubeBuddy is, as well as showing you how to copy cards and copy end screens and annotations. So that'll be in that video as well, which I think you'll find very helpful. But essentially, once you have TubeBuddy, you want to go and open up a new tab and just head over to the TubeBuddy main page. And here's where you'll be able to go ahead and create this checklist of your own. They will already have a checklist for you, and if you don't have a checklist, it will also recommend you checklists from other successful creators like Daryl Eves or Tim Schmoyer or a few other ones. So you can always model your checklist off of other creators, or you can model your checklist off of mine that I showed you here, or you can just keep the one that TubeBuddy gives you, or you can create one of your own. So here, if you have an account already, if you created your account, if you already connected your YouTube account, and if you already downloaded the extension, you can go ahead and click sign in here, and it will ask you to sign in. You obviously want to sign with your Google account because Google is connected to YouTube. And once you're signed in, as you can see, all my channels are connected to this TubeBuddy account. My tutorials channel, music, vlogging, gaming, and advice channel. So for my gaming channel, I have made my own checklist. So you go ahead and head to the launch pad here for the channel that you have. If you have 1 or 2 channels, you only have 1 or 2 red boxes here. But nonetheless, you click launch pad. And then on the left side, you'll see something called checklist template. And when you click on that, it'll bring you to your checklist. Now, if you've already made a checklist, you'll basically see something like this, or your own checklist. If you don't have a checklist made yet, you'll probably see a pre-made one for you that's already made, and all you got to do then is either delete them. You can delete this by pressing the X's and make your own, or you can just edit what you already have here. So maybe if you have a checklist already created and you want to edit it and change some things, you can very easily do it with this little green pen tool. Otherwise, you can just press the X button here and create a whole new checklist from scratch. If you want to add an item, you can add an item here. For example, here I have 10 things on my checklist. If I want to add 11, I can add 11. If you want to print this out even, you can print it out, which is also very handy. Otherwise, you can always do it next to the upload section when you upload your video. You can always check mark it off there like I showed you earlier. And that's kind of how you create a checklist on TubeBuddy. And those are also some suggestions that I would encourage you to add into your own upload process. I think this can really help you not only boost your channel, but also increase the engagement on your videos and reach a broader audience, especially with the last one here, sharing on social media, and even allowing viewers to see some of your other videos through end screens and cards. So hopefully you found this video helpful. Hopefully you found it also very easy to create your own YouTube checklist. And if you have any questions or comments, any suggestions, if you have a tip on how to improve my own checklist, if you want to share your own checklist in the comment section, that'd be great. Go and leave any questions, comments, suggestions down below in the comment section. If you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like, would really appreciate it. And if you want to check out my most recent video on the channel, go ahead and click the annotation here. If you want to check out a similar similar videos to this one, you can click the annotation here. If you want to check out my vlogging, my gaming, or my other channels, click the annotation here. And if you want to donate $1 to my Patreon page, you can do so by clicking the annotation here. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching, as always. And this is GSmanimsmart, and I'll be back sooner than you think. Don't go anywhere.